I'm attorney Nick Alcock here in Phoenix, Arizona, and I want to talk about shoplifting. And now most people, if they've never been in trouble before, and they go into a store and they steal an item that's not worth a huge amount of money and they walk out without paying for it, they're going to get charged with shoplifting. Most people, depends on the jurisdiction, I know that I'm generalizing here, so it's not always, but most people are offered some type of diversion program if they are charged and arrested for shoplifting. Diversion means you take some classes, maybe you do some community service, and the whole thing essentially gets wiped off of your record. There are instances when that doesn't happen. One is that if you've been in trouble for shoplifting before. The other is that if the item is worth a great deal of money, say over $1,000, then we're not talking about shoplifting anymore. Now we're talking about theft because it's over $1,000, and that's where the theft statute kicks in. Most of the time, though, that deal is available only at the very beginning of the process. And so if you have been charged with shoplifting, I urge you to call our firm. You can sit down with one of us. 602-989-5000 is our number. 602-989-5000. You may find yourself in a position where you're in court and you have to make a decision quickly about whether or not to accept diversion. And this is especially true in Phoenix, where they might say it's now or never. You have to decide, do you want to wipe this off your record by taking classes or doing community service, or do you want to move forward with trial? And so I definitely suggest that if you have any questions about it, come in and speak with us in advance. There are some people out there that inadvertently don't pay for something. And those people, they may want to go to trial. You know, that's totally understandable. There are other people that just don't have the time to do diversion or can't do it because they don't live here. And so there are some factors that you have to take into consideration when it comes to shoplifting. The main thing is, if you are obviously apprehended and you find yourself in this position, just before you make a decision, speak with an attorney, talk with the law firm, shop around, and make certain that you know what it is that you're facing. And we'll tell you if you have a diversion eligible type of deal. And we certainly don't put a lot of pressure on our clients to sign up. If they know they want to do diversion and they're likely to get it, you may be able to walk into court by yourself, but there might be some tricks of the trade that you need to know before you go. Our number again, 602-989-5000. 602-989-5000 is our number. We're happy to answer any questions that you have over the phone or in the office. Thanks so much.